You're hanging with Howard at the Shade Tree Garage. Let's get to work. Okay people, today we're going to change an engine air filter on a GMC 2010 Sierra 1500. It's a pretty easy process. First thing you need is a Torx T20 driver. I'm going to go ahead and remove the 4 screws from the compartment. It's located right here, easy access. 1, I'll just show you where they are. 2, 3, and the last one's a little bit hard to reach. 4. Okay, you just gotta get access to that filter, so once you have that loosened up, you really don't need to take this all the way off. You just kind of free it up a little bit, and you can reach right in, access your filter, slide it right out like that. Take a look, see if it's dirty. Yes, dirty. I see some debris, some darkness. And you can look at the side and also and see. You can check your part number. And you can also cross-reference at your auto supply store. I got my new filter right here. I bought the heavy-duty version. I think that's good to do on a truck. And before you put it in, just verify that it's the correct size. The easiest way to do that is put them top to top and match it up and make sure that size matches up. This looks like a good fit. I think I've got the right one. I'm going to put it right in there. Slides right in there easily, and you can see nice fit. Then just kind of shuffle it around with your hands a bit. Stick it down firmly. Nice fit, perfect. Then just put your box back on top, line up the screw holes, and you're ready to go. Just get those screws wound in nice and snug, hand tight. Last one. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if you appreciate the video.